Welcome. Today is the most fortunate day that we are entering a new domain. Advanced Vedic Mathematics course is being formally named. Aim here is that we shall enter Vedic mathematics to glimpse, imbibe, and to be parallel with the original glory of Vedas. India is land of Vedas, but unfortunately, for some historic and other reasons, this domain has gone dormant. But still, as the traditions go, Vedas revive themselves of their own. Time has come. We are promising ourselves that we will be Vishwa Guru, but for it, naturally, we have to begin from the very beginning. And here is the beginning from the very beginning. It has taken me 50 long years to glimpse this domain. Today, I am blessed because of the spiritual masters Adik Shankaracharya, Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji Maharaj, Swami Nishchalanand Ji, Shri Shri Pad Babaji Maharaj, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, and Swami Avdeshanand Puri. These spiritual masters have directly and indirectly potentialized me to glimpse it. The Vedic mathematics domain is the domain of Vedic Ganita Sutras. These are 16. Here is the text of 16 Ganita Sutras, and these are complemented and supplemented by 13 Upsutras. In all, we are having 16 plus 13, 29 hymns. This completes. This text is in Devanagari script and is availing in all 519 letters. Of these, only 36 are distinct. This, in one way, looks like as if that this universe, which is of creator Brahma, and Brahma formulation is of transcendental code value 39. And enlightenment is that Paranava Sarvadeshu, all Vedas are the domain of Paranava, and this formulation is having TC value 36. This is a domain. This is parallel with the Creator's domain. It is parallel with the universe, and it is parallel with the Sakal Rigved Samhita. Sakal Rigved Samhita is the scripture which fortunately is intact with us from its first letter to its 4,32,000th letter. As the traditions go, the seed thoughts of entire domain are lively within this scripture. Vedas are 4: Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharved. Rigved has 21 branches. Yajurved has 101 branches. Samved has 1000 branches, and Atharved has 9 branches. All this literature has not reached us. When we are conscious about it, then certainly it becomes our responsibility to see how we can revive this entire domain of Vedic literature. Beginning is to be with Vedic mathematics. And Vedic mathematics would mean 16 simple mathematical formulae from the Vedas, supplemented by 13 corollaries. This text, Eka Adhikain Purvain Nikhlim Navasta Charmam Dashata Udharvatiryekbhyam Pravartya Yojet Shunyam Same Samuche Anrupe Shunya Anyat Sankalan Vyakalnabhyam Purana Puranabhyam Chaln Kalnabhyam Yavdunam Vyasti Sameshti Sheshankain Charmain Sopanantyam Dvayamantyam Ek Nyunen Purvain Gunit Samuchya Gunak Samichya. It completes. And these 16 sutras are availing 283 letters. The 13 Upsutras Anurupain Shishyate Shesh Sangya Adyamadein Antyamantein Kevale Saptakam Gunyat Vestanam Yavdunam Tavdunam Yavdunam Tavduni Krite Vargam Cha Yojet Antyor Daske Api Antyorev Samuchya Gunita Lopna Sthapna Bhyam Vilokanam Gunit Samuchya Samuchya Gunita. These are availing in all 236 letters. This makes a total range of 519 letters. Of these, 7 letters of 6th Sutra Anurupe are within brackets. So this ultimately takes us to 512. My course presumes only this much, that one is acquainted with Devanagari alphabet, in which this original script is, and this text of 519 letters. Within a few recitations, one can memorize it. The moment this text stands memorized, it will be printed in our mind, and it will become Mansik Ganit, mental mathematics. Then even this much text will stand dispensed with. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to enter this domain shall revisit Devanagari alphabet and memorize this text. Nothing more is required. This much only is sufficient. Swami Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj, when was confronted with the situation that those Max Muller and others, when were compiling Vedas, were finding themselves as if there is no mathematics in it. Swamiji meditated in the solitude of the jungle for 7 to 8 years and has decoded the hidden mathematical formulae of this text. And this thread is to be carried forward. I am grateful to spiritual masters and following their leads that these sutras, these hymns are codified and the codes are inherent in it, which can be decoded by mind, only by the mind which meditates and goes parallel with the Brahm.